Grayson, what are you doing? Are you doing Daddy's chores? Are you doing Daddy's chores, man? Because Daddy won't do them?
No.
What's wrong with Daddy?
Who makes you?
Dad, do chores.
You do them. I'm sick and tired of cleaning.
Dad's sick and tired of cleaning.
Does Daddy clean a lot? He does? I kind of find that hard to believe.
How long, Brayson, how long have you been
He's trying to
I
cleaning?
need that.
Brayson, how long have you been cleaning?
I need it. I need it.
You have enough brushes,
I
don't you
need
think?
that.
No.
How long have you been cleaning?
I need that.
Have you been cleaning all day?
I need that.
Daddy's asking a question.
I need to do that.
How long have you been cleaning?
Are your fingers getting wrinkled from cleaning all day?